Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to talk 6 effective strategies for enhancing risk communication in ERM, engaging stakeholders successfully. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Effective risk communication is vital for successful enterprise risk management, ERM, ensuring stakeholders are informed and engaged in risk mitigation efforts. Implementing strategies to enhance communication fosters transparency and strengthens the organization's risk management practices. Clear and concise messaging communicate risks using clear and concise language to ensure stakeholders understand the potential impacts and necessary actions. Avoid technical jargon and provide relevant context to facilitate comprehension. Utilize varied communication channels. Utilize a variety of communication channels, including meetings, emails, reports, and workshops, to reach stakeholders effectively. Tailor the communication approach to the preferences and needs of different stakeholder groups. Foster two-way dialogue. Encourage open dialogue with stakeholders to address concerns, gather feedback, and promote collaboration. Actively listening to stakeholders' perspectives fosters trust and encourages their active involvement in risk management processes. Provide relevant context. Present risks within the context of the organization's goals, objectives, and values. Highlighting the relevance of risks to stakeholders' interests helps them understand the importance of risk management and their role in it. Empower stakeholders. Empower stakeholders by providing them with the necessary information, resources, and training to participate effectively in risk management activities. Empowered stakeholders are more likely to proactively identify and address risks. Regular updates and follow-ups. Provide regular updates on risk management initiatives, progress, and outcomes to keep stakeholders informed and engaged. Follow-up communication reinforces the organization's commitment to managing risks and demonstrates accountability. Conclusion: by implementing these 6 strategies, organizations can enhance risk communication in ERM, leading to improved stakeholder engagement, informed decision-making, and ultimately, more effective risk management outcomes. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.